ahead of the first 18th Lok Sabha session, which begins on the 24th of June. All eyes are on who will get the Speaker's post, the all-important Lok Sabha Speaker's post. Now, what NDTV has learned is that the BJP has deployed Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to build consensus among allies. And in this regard, a group of ministers will meet at Rajnath Singh's house at 5 p.m. today. The BJP has already reached out to its partners and have sought their views on the Speaker post, while also making it clear that the BJP will retain the post. And at around 6 is the Maharashtra core group meeting, which will also take place at JP Nadda's house. Earlier we spoke to Maria Shakil for more details.
The BJP here is speaking from the position of strength. They have 240 MPs. Yes, they may not be having the majority number on their own, but they fully understand that their alliance partners need them as much as they need their alliance partners. So, if you look at the portfolio distribution, you will get a fair idea that JDU hasn't really got the kind of deal that it was being spoken about, that Nitish Kumar wants the railways portfolio. That was not to be. JDU has got a relatively lightweight portfolio in this entire cabinet allocation. And for Chandrababu Naidu's TDP, it is the portfolio that they had in the first NDA of Prime Minister Modi. Modi 1.0, when their own minister held the civil aviation portfolio. But having said that, look, it is about building consensus. There are indications that the allies will come on board for this role, because allies, both Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, they need financial support for the respective states of Bihar and also for Andhra Pradesh. That is something that the centre is ready to negotiate with them on, and they would be able to give that kind of support to them. Now, getting the support from other alliance partners will not be tough. But look, after the kind of bulldozing that we saw in the 17th Lok Sabha, that may not happen this time around. Because in the last two sessions of the 17th Lok Sabha, there was a complete breakdown of communication between the treasury benches and the opposition. And we saw almost mass suspension from both the houses, be it the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha, of the opposition MPs. That is something that the BJP will find very difficult this time around, and hence the role of the speaker becomes important. And there will be a lot of olive branches which will be extended, a sign of which we saw when Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju went the extra mile to meet the Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. So be prepared for those kind of softening of stand which we have seen in the past of the UPA, of a working style which will be acceptable to both the sides, because the opposition has is above 240, so they will be making the right noises, seeking explanation from the government on all issues. But who will be the speaker is the big question. I really doubt if the BJP will be letting go of that post. That is something that was almost non-negotiable at the moment.